Guys, so I'm just coming off shift and we got some updates today. Update 1 on that fire. I'll show a clip update on that later today. We also got, check it out, my safety gear came in that you guys suggested. I already started putting stickers on it because that's what Yanks do. We put stickers on helmets, why not? And we got this tree over here I'm going to cut up for firewood, and we're going to get into why I don't normally save firewood and why we're going to save this tree and that ash tree over there. All right? All right. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got an update on this fire. I'll show you one of those clips coming up. Actually, we'll just jump to that update. So the last one we did, we were trying to get it big and stacked to try to keep it protected from the rain. We ended up with 2.5 inches of rain. It's a mess out here. I thought about bringing the tractor down, trying to push this in, but it's, I don't know. I'm just gonna make more of a mess than anything at this point. So I'm just gonna throw some, I mean, most of the stuff I can throw in by hand. And if you look, mission accomplished. There's steam coming off of that. And I'll flip this over in a minute. But if you look underneath that stump, plenty of hot coals survived that. So after 2.5 inches of rain, we're still hot, ready to cook. We're gonna get this stuff thrown on. I'm not gonna make any video on that. We're gonna get back to the main event, or the main whatever video I'm making at this time. This is just an update. Alrighty. Alright guys, so I know I normally don't cut firewood, and I've been called out on that a few times. People saying I waste good wood and that kind of stuff. But I am cutting a little bit today, and I'll also take the time to explain why I normally don't save any of the firewood, and I'll explain that in just a minute. First, we'll get all these limbs and stuff cleaned off so I can actually cut this one up a little bit easier. You'll also notice my helmet came in. So I got the helmet, the earmuffs, and the face screen. First time using it in this video here. You know, I mean, I like it. I guess I felt a little bit safer, and I suppose my ears didn't quite ring as much at the end of the day, so that's always a plus. We'll see how it holds up in the long run. We'll get this stuff carried over the fire real quick, and I'll give you a quick 40-second explanation of why I don't normally save the firewood. Sorry about that. Sorry. You get the idea. I was putting sticks on it. All right, let's talk firewood. That was the thumbnail, so let's actually talk it for just a little bit. So I get a lot of comments like, hey, it looks like a lot of good wood going to waste. How come you don't sell your firewood? That kind of thing. I don't use firewood. Simple as that. I don't have a fireplace. I don't have a wood burner. My neighbors do. So I do cut logs up and drag them up to the barn for my neighbor on the south side, and then my neighbor on the north side of the property. I'll go through the woods like this, and if it's a super easy access tree like this one is, I'll take the time to cut it up, stack it next to a tree, give him a call, say, hey, I got some wood out in the woods. He'll take a splitter out there, split it up, put it in his UTV, haul it to the house. So that's why I do what I do. Yeah, it looks like a lot of good wood going to waste, but I try to do my best to save some for the neighbors. Other than that, I burn it. All right, hopefully voiceover mic made a little sense. There's some of that wood stacked up. We've got a little bit of mess left to clean up there, and we'll burn. We'll get that cut off the rest of the way. Right there off the stump. Pull that out the tractor so it's a little bit easier to cut instead of being down that ravine. That'll be the next video, or another video on that same video, and then we'll cut the ash tree up too, stack it up so he can come get it. I'll just call him up and say, hey man, I got some wood. If you want it, come get it. He's either go get it or he's not. I mean, that's pretty much the best I can do. I laid that pile when I had the track on top of that top, so we'll cut that top off and burn that pile. That one will go pretty quick. That's a small pile, and that top's gonna be nice and dry. So that'll be another video, but hopefully all that makes sense. All right, so I've got, well, I don't have a watch, but I do have a little bit of time left, judging by the sun's position in the sky. Got a chainsaw. We're gonna go back over here and push that pile a little bit more with the tractor. You can see the smoke coming up, so we're walking over. I threw some stuff in this morning, and yeah, it's going. So we'll get this pushed together. This stuff's pretty loose, so I'm hoping this will go pretty smooth. Get Sky Camp set up. Let's finish this video off with some pushing. The old 755, huh? The old mean green. Some of you guys called the bush hog. By the way, you guys brought your A game with the, oh, I like this thing, by the way. I think I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place today. You guys brought your A game with the bush hog names, so what I'm gonna do is pick my top 5 favorite, and then we're gonna vote on those. I don't know what video we're gonna do it, but we're gonna pick my top 5 favorite names and vote on it, because there's just too many good names for me to pick one. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna wipe his lens off. Looks like you're all a little dirty. Here we go, and we'll get to going. All right, we got the tractor parked there. You can see that I'm a little out of breath. You guys are up on the sky cam there. You might be dead by now. I'm not sure what the battery life was like. Not good accountability on my part today, but that's okay. Hey, awesome thing, before I forget, I just ordered a drone today. So a couple weeks we'll start having drone footages and stuff. Got that coming for us. Fire's going good and hot in there. Working its way up through. That is fantastic. I only had a couple hours today to get that one over there cut up and to get this pushed together, and I got a lot pushed together in that. I'm pretty happy with this. Here's Sky Cam shot 1 when we started. And here it is now. So we definitely made a little progress on it. Actually, a lot of progress. I'm happy. You can dang near split the pile in half. That'll burn down. We're just down to this pile of stumps pretty much. So I think what's going to happen is once that burns down, if the little tractor has it in it, if I can get that one, this is the one that's holding everything up, this fella right here. If I can get that one broke loose, we'll start picking our way through these stumps, start getting all that slowly pushed down on top of it, and cleaning that mess up. I don't know, 1 or 2 more days. I keep saying 1 or 2 more days, but I'm really optimistic about that prediction this time. Guys, so this video is all over the place. I apologize. The main goal today was go geocaching with the girls out in the National Forest, and we did. Just got back from it. That's why I only had a couple hours to work on this morning. But just got back. Beautiful day. January 1 is New Year's Day when I recorded this video. Sun shining, 50 degrees, pretty rare, and they're still on break, so had to take advantage of that opportunity, spend some time with the girls and with Chelsea. But we just got back, got a little bit of daylight left, as you can see, and we're going to push this together. That's the progress it made while we were gone. We'll push this together real quick. I don't know. Gotcha. I'm pretty good at catching you guys. So we got some of it thrown together by hand. You can see that. She's coming up pretty good. Take the tractor, we'll push it together a little bit more. burn real nice through the night. Let's run the grader blade down this side a couple times, just see if I can get a general shape on the dirt, and then we'll call it quits. How about some grader blade action? Let's do that. All right, so you can see I'm up in the sky cam. You can see where we're just going to push that dirt right around the side, contour into that hill, tree, sky cam, great. And there's the fire burning. There you go. So all that junk up there, we'll jump over there and show you real quick. This stuff right here. It's mainly dirt. It's got some pieces of wood mixed in. You can see they're all blackened up. We're just gonna push on around and kind of contour that stuff off, like I said, so it'll just lay under some dirt. It'll be thick with rotten stuff and dirt, but we'll contour it off. It'll be about 1 foot, 2 foot thick. It'll lay in rot, and that's all gonna go back to forest. Let's hop down and show you a little bit. Log right there, which is this on that sky cam shot. That log right there is all gonna be pushed in. It needs to be pushed in and burnt, but you can see not a whole lot left to it. Just a few random logs, a couple stumps. Fire's going good and hot, so we're just talking about pushing this stuff down our next couple days into the coals, and we're pretty much wrapped up with the burning. So probably a couple days and this will be all finished up. This is the way that dirt's gonna fill in. Back up here a little bit. It'll be about 1 foot, you know, 1 foot, 18 inches thick maybe. And we're just gonna roll all that stuff downhill. So it's halfway, kind of half-assed, contoured. Good enough for the woods to come back, grow its own little trees in there. We're not making it a yard, we're not making it a field or trying to bush hog. We're just trying to make it back into good usable ground for nature, so we can get some more of these beautiful things. These here are called trees. Yep. Anyway, like I said, when that log end needs to be burnt, the rest is all dirt and everything. Let's go get pushed off. Sorry about the rambling, sorry about the confusion today. I know this video is all over the place, but it was an awesome day. A lot of progress here, Awesome time with the family. Man, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't think it gets any better than this. I gotta play in the woods, I gotta burn, I gotta hang out with the kids and the wife. It doesn't get any better than that. So, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we will catch you guys on the next one.